5853 non-stop service to Tokyo Narita. All passengers confirmed seat assignments. Please come to gate number 100 at this time. Once again, United Flight 853 non-stop service to Narita is departing from the gate number 100. And we're closing the door shortly. Thank you.
싱가포르에서 스피드를 찾습니다. 이유나 손님, 좌석번호가 55번 K1, 이유나 손님, 윤정호 손님, 좌석번호가 56번 2, 윤정호 손님.